Happy holidays! Hope you're having a great time this season. Today we're going to do our final in our Home for the Holidays series, and that is how to fold a Christmas tree napkin. We start by folding it over in half and then half again to create a square. Seal your edges, turn it around so that you have all of the open pieces at the bottom. Then you fold them up, just slightly different than each other, and you'll see why in just a second. Once you've got it this way, then you flip it over, fold each side over onto the other. Make sure that you have a nice sharp point right here. Fold one piece over, tuck it in, and then make sure you have this little piece left over here. Then you flip it on over, and then you tuck each of these pieces in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that will create your tree effect. Happy holidays!